Makeup tutorials conversation, easy English practice for beginners. Hi Mary. Do you watch makeup tutorials?
Hi William. Yes, sometimes. They are really helpful for learning new techniques.
That's interesting. What kind of makeup tutorials do you like to watch?
I usually watch tutorials about everyday makeup. I like learning how to do a natural look. What about you? Do you watch them too?
Not really, but I think they can be useful. My sister watches them all the time.
Oh, that's nice. Does she like doing makeup?
Yes, she loves it. She even practices new styles on me sometimes.
Wow. That's fun. Makeup can be a great way to express creativity.
I agree. What is the most important thing you have learned from tutorials?
I have learned how to blend foundation properly and how to choose the right colors for my skin tone.
That sounds useful. Sometimes people use the wrong shades, and it looks unnatural.
Exactly. Choosing the right shade is very important. Also, I learned how to do simple eye makeup for special events.
Cool! Is it difficult to do eye makeup?
At first, yes. But after some practice, it becomes easier. You just need to follow the steps carefully.
That's good to know. How often do you wear makeup?
I wear light makeup every day, but I do full makeup only for special occasions. What do you think about makeup?
I think makeup is an amazing skill. It can make people feel more confident.
That's true. But I also think it's important to feel confident without makeup.
I agree. Confidence comes from inside, but makeup can be fun too.
Yes, it's fun to try different looks. Do you think I should start my own makeup channel?
Absolutely. You have great knowledge, and I think many people would love to learn from you.
Thanks, William. Maybe I will try. Would you watch my videos?
Of course. I'll be your biggest supporter.
Thank you. I'll let you know when I post my first video.
I can't wait. Good luck, Mary.
Thanks. Let's meet up soon and talk more about it.
Sure. See you soon. English for Beginners, 20 Popular Questions. And answers about school life. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Where is your classroom? My classroom is on the second floor. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mrs. Linda. What time does the class start? The class starts at 9 a.m. How many students are in your class? There are 20 students in my class. Do you have homework today? Yes, I have math homework today. What is your teacher's name? My teacher's name is Mr. Hector. Where is the library? The library is next to the main office. What do you do during break time? I play with my friends during break time. When is your exam? My exam is on Friday. What do you need for this class? I need a notebook and a pencil for this class. Who is your best friend in school? My best friend in school is Linda. Where do you eat lunch? I eat lunch in the cafeteria. What subject do you like the most? I like science the most. What do you do after school? I do my homework after school. Is your teacher strict? No, my teacher is very kind. What color is your school uniform? My school uniform is blue and white. Do you have art class today? No, I have art class on Wednesday. What do you learn in math class? We learn numbers and equations in math class. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus.
Talking about famous Dubai chocolate, learn English easily. Hi Bianca. Have you ever heard about the famous chocolate from Dubai?
Hi, Peter. Yes, I've heard about it. People say it's amazing. Have you tried it before?
I did. Last year, my friend brought some back from his trip to Dubai. It was delicious.
Really? What makes it so special?
Well, it's made with high-quality ingredients, and some of the chocolates even have gold on them.
Gold? Are you serious? You mean real gold?
Yes, real edible gold. It's very thin, and it doesn't have any taste. But it makes the chocolate look luxurious.
That sounds incredible. I've never seen anything like that before. Is it expensive?
A little, but it's worth it for the experience. The packaging is also very elegant. It makes a great gift.
I can imagine. Where can you buy it?
You can find it in luxury stores in Dubai or even online. Some brands also sell it at the airport.
That's good to know. I'd love to try it one day. Do you have a favorite flavor?
Yes, I really like the one with dates and nuts. It's a mix of sweet and crunchy.
Dates and nuts sound delicious. I think I'd love that one too.
You should try it. Maybe next time I visit Dubai, I'll bring you some.
That would be amazing. Thank you, Peter.
No problem, Bianca. By the way, have you ever visited Dubai?
Not yet, but it's on my travel list. I've heard it's a beautiful place with so much to see and do.
It really is. You should visit the Burj Khalifa and go on a desert safari. And of course, don't forget to buy the chocolate.
Definitely. I'll make sure to try all the famous foods, including the chocolate.
Good idea. I'm sure you'll have an unforgettable trip.
Thanks, Peter. Talking about this chocolate makes me want to travel right now.
Me too, Bianca. Maybe we should plan a trip together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's think about it.
Sure. For now, let's grab some coffee and talk more about travel.
Perfect. Let's go. A day in the life at the office. Basic English questions and answers. What time does John go to work? John goes to work at 9 a.m. How does Emily get to the office? Emily takes the bus to the office. What does John do first in the morning? He checks his emails first. Does Emily have a meeting every day? Yes, Emily has a meeting every day. Where does John have lunch? John has lunch in the office cafeteria. What time does Emily have lunch? Emily has lunch at 12:30 p.m. Does John work on a computer? Yes, John works on a computer. What does Emily do after lunch? She continues her work on the project. Does John have any calls in the afternoon? Yes, John has a call with a client in the afternoon. What time does Emily finish work? Emily finishes work at 5 p.m. Does John attend meetings? Yes, John attends many meetings. What does Emily do in the meetings? She discusses project updates. Does John have a lot of paperwork? Yes, John has a lot of paperwork. What does Emily do with the paperwork? She files and organizes it. Does John work with a team? Yes, John works with a team of 5 people. What time does Emily leave the office? Emily leaves the office at 5:30 p.m. Does John take breaks during the day? Yes, John takes short breaks during the day. What does Emily do during her breaks? She usually has a coffee and chats with colleagues. Does John like his job? Yes, John likes his job very much. Does Emily have a lot of meetings? Yes, Emily has a lot of meetings every week.